Those are words that John Cena lives by. For nearly a dozen years, he has been the WWE franchise player. And he says tonight will mark the beginning of the My Time Is Now era. I wish we just had the words to describe the feeling of sitting here in front of 50,000 plus